Hey, what's up guys? Pat Gagliano here from Finished Basements. We want to dedicate this video to Row for Hope. Awesome organization. We just did a half-mile marathon row, and what we're going to do here is we're going to donate $100 for every 10,000 views. So really hoping to quickly get to 100,000 views on this, and it'd be great if you could be part of this donation in this organization. So please enjoy this video. Hey guys, Pat Gagliano here from Finished Basements. We're about to take you on an amazing tour. This finished basement has so many unique elements in it. You're really going to enjoy it. So stick with us to the end. You're going to love it. We're here at the main entertainment area. Right near the back door, we have the poker table, the pool table, and the bar. So this is where everybody's going to congregate, hang out. We have a TV back here. I really want to point out the bar. I mean, we do a lot of great bar work. Grand Interiors is just amazing at just coming up with it. But the detail and the gold leaf that's incorporated in this bar really takes it to another level. It's just awesome. We're here at the bottom of the stairs, which almost becomes a foyer in the basement. So we wanted to match the staircase, the steps, and spindles to upstairs. So it's stained oak. It's actually done perfectly. We put a little built-in behind me, and this basement's so big that we actually also incorporated a kitchenette. Now, we don't typically put full-size refrigerators in the basement, but in this case, they had the room and they wanted to use it. This space also doubles as a dance floor. So the foosball table comes out of here. We got these lights up here, they turn on, and it's a great place for dancing. We had a lot of space in this basement, so we also created this conversation area. It's really unique. We have a swing, we have some club chairs, fireplace, water fountain, which is really tranquil, listening to the water. We put some decorative molding, tray ceiling, built in, so we really took advantage of this area and made it as cozy as possible. All right, so we got this great bathroom real close to the back door. It's appropriately sized. Now there's a time and place for a large bathroom if you're gonna have a sauna, a spa, stuff like that. In this case, you gotta keep in mind, this is not your master. It just needs to be a function. We have a vanity, toilet, a shower, plenty of room in that shower, great shower fixtures. It's just perfect. We're here in the kids' room, which is really nicely set up behind these glass French doors with side lights. That's something that we custom build on a lot of jobs. We also have this wall here, which is painted really nicely. But the great thing about this wall, it's actually hiding the electrical service and a bunch of other utilities here. This is completely custom built. This is not something you can buy in a store, and it really works out nicely. This open home theater is situated in the biggest part of the basement with the pool table area behind us so they could see the TV as well. It was a very long area and we wanted to create tray ceilings, and I didn't want to have one long tray ceiling, so what we did is we divided it up in two, and we have one tray ceiling in the theater with this bulkhead soffit and then another one behind me. Both have crown molding with LED light, and what's really nice is in the theater they got painted the sky, so it's really sharp looking. All right, I hope you guys really enjoyed this unbelievable basement. The big question is, who's all in for the next one?